Hi friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Do you know that the video you're watching right now was generated under 10 minutes? Yes, 10 minutes. It sounds impossible, right? The problem is that most people are still copying and pasting prompts one at a time, regenerating images because the characters are not consistent and the character keep changing, spending hours on what should have taken less than 15 minutes. There is a way to automate the entire pipeline. The script generation, image curation, character consistency, camera movement prompts, and all that. And the amazing thing is that these tools are free. So let's see how this works. All you need is ChatGPT for story and prompt generation, Google Wix for AI image generation, also Google Wix extension for bulk automation, then Grok for image animation, then any software you use for video editing. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how this works. So stick and not skip any part. So let's get started. First of all, we need to generate our scripts, and we'll do that with ChatGPT. Don't bother about the script. The script, if you should go to my WhatsApp channel, you will have access to this script. It's a Google Doc. You can see that every video I've made, the title is there, and all the prompts I use for the video is also there. So don't bother about the script, the prompt. It will be made available to you. Just go to my WhatsApp channel and download the Google Doc. Okay, so let's go back and copy the prompt to generate the scripts for this video. And we head over to ChatGPT, place our prompt and click enter. So our script is ready. We copy it and go back to the Google Docs and paste it there. Okay, we'll paste it there. Then we'll copy this prompt, asking it to produce image prompt for each script. Okay, the prompt for the image generation is done. Let's copy it and also paste it on our Google Docs. So let's clean up this script. When you go under the tab cleanup, everything is available in the the doc I shared with you. So you copy this code, Control C, then you go back to your script alone because you want the script alone to be here. We don't want script 1, script 2, so that it will be easy to generate the voiceover for it. So we click on Control H and paste the code. Then you click on Current tab and you click on Use Regular Expression. So you see that every script, all the scripts are being highlighted. So scripts, anything scripts and number is being highlighted. Then we can now click on replace. So now we have a neat script to work with, and we still have the one with the prompt because we'll be needing it in the time we want to match the images, the video clips with the script. So that's why we put the script for it to be easy for us to match it with the video that will be produced later on. So we'll copy the script and would we'll go over to Google AI Studio to generate the script for us. There's the prompt. This prompt is also in the Google Doc as the prompt we'll be using. So that your voiceover does not sound generic, you use the prompt that is needed. You use a different prompt. So let's paste our script again and we'll choose a voice.
Got a project in mind?
Okay, so
Got a project in mind?
let's use this man and we'll hit on run. So while it's running, let's generate the characters we need. So we still go back to prompts again. We'll ask ChatGPT to generate the prompts to create the character we need because we want to have consistent character. So we go back to ChatGPT, we place the prompt, the script, and click on enter. It's done. We copy it, we go back to this place, and okay, we can create a sub tab called character. Okay, characters, and we'll place this prompt here. Then let's go for the second character, the robot, and let's ask ChatGPT to create the prompt for it. So the prompt is created. We can create this image on Grok on Google Works, or we can still use Sora. But for this project, I will be using Sora. I'll be using Sora. So I'll place the prompt and click on create and then copy the second character and put it there. Okay, we have our first character is ready. So the second character should be generated. Let's wait for it to be generated. And moreover, our voiceover is ready. So we can click on download and download it. We are making progress. So while this is going on, let's install the extension we'll be needing for this. It is called AutoWix Automator for Wix AI. So you copy it, you go to Google and you search for it. You will see a Chrome extension showing right there, and you click on the first prompt you see, the first result you see. Then click on add to your browser, whatever browser you're using, and you say allow. It is being installed. Okay, it has successfully installed it. Let's close this page. So if you don't see it appearing here, just wait for some minutes, it will come. Or if you want, you can click on the taskbar, right click and click on manage extensions, and here you can toggle it off and toggle it on again, and it should appear. So let's see whether Sora is done with the second prompt. Wow, okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So we're going to use this to create our project. So we'll have to go to Grok. Sorry about that, not Grok. We have to go to Google Week. So click on the extension. So we just need to click on the extension, and you are welcome with this interface. So you click on the second option 7.5. You can change the language under setting. Just expand this a bit. Then on the language, you click on it and you click on English. Here you can choose the folder in which you want the Wix to download the generated images. So we go under control. This is where we'll paste all the prompts. So let's go and copy the prompts. So let's clean the prompt up. We still have scripts in each prompt, so we'll have to clean it up. We'll take the code once more, copy the code. We go to image prompt. We click on Ctrl H, and this is for Windows. We place the prompt, then we click on match, use regular expression, and for current tab, then we click on replace. Okay, image is still there. We copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl H, and we place it here. We put it current tab and replace. So we have only the prompt. We copy or Ctrl A, and if it's for Mac, you can use Command A to select all and copy with Command C, and you go back to Wix. Then you place the prompt there. Remember, we have images that we want to use, so we copy them, we'll drag them to this place. On the Sora, we'll drag it to the image. Okay, it's not working, so let's just download it to our PC. You save image as. So we've downloaded the images, we'll copy them to the scene, copy them to the scene. You can use the setting to create where you want Wex to download your image. So I'm going to do that right away. I'm going to change the settings for the folder where I want the images to be downloaded. So we'll choose the folder and we'll close that. Okay, we are good to go. Now everything is ready. We'll click on start for the image generation to start, and here you can change the aspect ratio. So we'll be using the 9 to 16 to 9, which is for YouTube, and we will click on start. So let's wait for it to generate the images. So while our image is being generated, let's go back to ChatGPT and let's create a prompt to generate video animation for each of the image. So we've pasted the prompt. This is the prompt. Don't bother about the prompt, it's still in the Google Doc. So you have access to it once you download the Google Doc from the WhatsApp community, WhatsApp channel. So we ready with this. It's ready. Let's copy it and let's go back and paste it on the dock. So our images are very ready. You can see the images, they're very ready. So we'll just copy them from here. We'll check for which one is better and we'll copy it and we'll paste it directly on Grok. So let's start the process. Copy image, go to Grok, you paste your image there, then we go back, we'll get the animation, the video prompt that ChatGPT gave to us. We copy it and we go to Grok and we paste it there. If it's your first time of using Grok, immediately you place your image, it will start generating video. So what you do to fix that is to come to this icon here, then click on settings and click on behavior, then turn off automatic video generation. It will fix that. So now we've placed this, we click on generate. So I will do this for all the project. Let me not bore you. When I'm done, I would show you the outcome. So I'm done arranging the clips and against the audio. So let's play the final clips and see what it looks like.
High above Earth, among drifting stars and silent planets, a young astronaut named Leo piloted his small shuttle toward an abandoned space station. He had trained for years for this mission, dreaming of adventure, discovery, and courage. The station floated in darkness, its lights long extinguished, its purpose forgotten by time. With steady hands and a brave heart, Leo stepped inside. Dust hovered in the air like tiny galaxies. The halls were quiet, and every footstep echoed like a reminder that no one had been there for centuries. Yet deep within the station, a faint blinking light caught his attention. In the control room sat a robot covered in silver dust. Its metal frame was worn, but its design was remarkable. A small power core pulsed weakly in its chest, signaling that it had been waiting for someone to return. Records in the station's system showed the robot had faithfully maintained the station for hundreds of years, hoping its crew would come back. Leo felt the weight of a difficult choice. Reactivating the robot would use much of his shuttle's limited energy supply. Leaving it behind would be safer for his journey home. The vast silence of space pressed around him as he imagined the robot's long, lonely watch among the stars. He realized that bravery was not only about exploring the unknown, but also about choosing kindness when it cost something. Leo connected his shuttle's power to the robot. Slowly, lights flickered across its body, brighter and brighter, until the room glowed once more. The station no longer felt abandoned. As Leo prepared to depart, the once lonely robot stood restored, ready to care for the station again. The stars outside seemed warmer somehow. Leo understood that even in the coldest corners of space, compassion can shine brighter than any star, and sometimes the greatest discoveries are the ones that light up another heart.
So that's it for today. We'll be making more videos on how to use AI to make faceless YouTube channels. So till next time, happy creating.